cute bag, pink with the favorite in black color. My charms, really like it, tassel detailing, huge bag. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Aishwarya. I make videos around fashion, lifestyle, beauty and traveling. So you guys would have already guessed from the title that today I'm making video of my bag collection. Oh my god, I'm so excited to share this one because I love to see such videos. So I thought of making one, and let me show you my bag collection. Before I start a video, please do subscribe to my channel. So coming to very cute bag, I love this bag. This is from H&M. Oh my god, I like the color, that's why I got it, and the shape of it. It looks very small, but actually it fits most of the things which I can carry. This is very nice and very spacious. I feel like this is fine for me. It is fine. This one I got it from H&M, and this was for 1500, yeah, something like that. And here are my charms. Oh my god, I love this dinosaur. That is too. So next is this bag. This bag I got it from H&M. I think so for 1000 or 1500. Very long bag, and this comes with a zip, and here is one compartment without zip. It is inside, so it's nice. I like the color, that's why I got it. I wanted something in white, not pure white which gets dirty and all. Then recently when I went for Sri Lanka, I got one bag which is this crochet bag. Oh, so nice color. I really love this color, and this has this crochet, some flowers, very nice, very cute. This one I got it for 2000, I think so, in INR, and it comes with a pouch like where you can put your things and just string. It's so nice. It's very summery kind of a bag. Next is this bag. The color is in pink and comes with many compartments. Like there are 5 overall, and usually I buy bags which can be, adjustable. Like I can wear it in a cross and I can wear it side, and this is why I go for like this kind of bags which I showed you. Yeah, these two are not like that, but some of my bags which I have got are like this. So I really like this is also from H&M. This is also from H&M. I really like the color and the pocket detailing, so that's why I got it. Then coming to this bag, as I told you that I like the adjustable stripe thing. So this bag is in black color, that's why I got it, because I wanted one black color bag which comes with a very tiny zip where I can't keep anything, but still, I can keep my lip oil or my metro cards or something like that. And this is inside. There is one just zip over here, and this is also a very adjustable stripe, which is very nice. I really like it. Like you can just use a grip over here, and very stylized. I really liked it. This is also from H&M, as I said you. Here you can adjust it, and you can wear it like this, or you can wear it side. It's very nice. Then this what Uniqlo bag, yeah, everyone calls, but I don't know, I don't remember, like first H&M started this or Uniqlo started it. I still have a doubt about it, but these are from H&M, which I got it for 1000 rupees or something like that. First I got in this color. I have same one in this color. Then I got obsessed. Then I got in black. So these are also striped where you can adjust. I use it like side, or I can wear it in a cross, and it's very nice. This comes with the main zip. Then inside also there is one more zip. Oh my god, how much I would have used this bag everywhere. Every trekking I have took it, every trips I have took it, every day to office also I have took it. So I have used it a lot, and now this zip might give a hand. Yeah, same in black color. And here are my charms which are popping pink, like when on black this pink is looking very nice, so I got it same like that way. It is inside also. There is a small pocket. Yeah, but Uniqlo doesn't have inside zip. Yeah, yeah. So that's why I think so I got it like in black color also. Uh, then recently, coming to Uniqlo, when I was speaking about Uniqlo, so this is the drawstring bag which I recently got from Uniqlo. Oh my god, I was like, it comes with this all. It is very spacious. It is very spacious. It looks like that, but it looks small, I think so, because it's a cloth, like there is nothing else, just cloth. So that's why. But it has a inside zip over here, and you can, and there is outside also one pocket over here, and you can just drawstring, and you can hold it like this, or you can wear it side, or this one also can be made like this, and you can wear it. It's very nice. It's very nice, but it is very costly, just for 1,500. Yes, but I really like it. This is my favorite bag, I should say. I have used it like anything. This is also from Uniqlo, which you can, this type. The main thing about this type, you can wear it side, you can wear it, side way. Uh, you can wear it here, or you can just cross body like that. You can wear it, and the it's very big also, where I can fit in all my things. It doesn't have any zip inside, but it has a two compartments where you can store your things. Coming to ethnic bags, I have this very huge bag which I got it very long back from Max, when Max used to do amazing bags. Now also they do, I think so, but it comes with a big zip, and inside there is one compartment where it is no, it is useful but not so much. I feel. Then there is inside one zipper over here, then outside there is one zipper. But the thing is, I stopped taking this bag. I don't know why, but this is very nice. It has been with me since 4 to 5 years, I think so, and not a single thing has gone. Okay, beads have been gone, I think so. Yeah, that's all. But I like this one. Max, if you are listening to me, please start making some, like before how we used to make bags and even dresses and all. Max used to make very nice things before, but nowadays I don't know why. And coming to this one, this was a gift from my roommate, which she has given me very long back. This is from Chumbak. Oh my god, Chumbak used to do amazing bags and shoes also. Color is very nice. I love the tassel detailing, and you can even adjust over here, like you can wear it in this cross body, like that, or side. It's very nice, very spacious also. My even bottle can fit in, like tiny bottle can fit in. So this tiny bag which I got from my mom, but I'm using it since the day I got it. This is very basic, simple ethnic wear bag, which comes with a main zip over here, and inside also there is a zip, and one compartment over here, and outside also one zip. It was very nice quality, and I got it very long back. Since then it is there, like I think so 6 years. This is my bag collection. I hope you liked it. Please show some love, and comment down which was your favorite bag from this all. I see you in my next video. Bye.